Hello? The program that I told you about last month, I would like you to attend that program. It's very important. Very, very important. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. God bless you. Yeah, welcome, my sister.
Thank you, sir. Sir, you sent for me.
Oh, yes, my sister. You're welcome.
Thank you.
How about your hospital?
God is in control, sir.
You'll be surprised that I sent for you.
Absolutely, I'm surprised, sir.
There are issues that I want to discuss with you. It's all about your marital status. Is anybody coming on?
For now, I don't have anybody on my way. Though men have been coming, but my mind is not yet settled with any of them. Just that I want to take my time to know the will of God concerning me.
My sister, you have to pray very well. You see, marriage is all about long-time affairs. Anybody that wants to enter into marriage, he or she need to pray very well to know the will of God concerning it, for you not to make mistake. Meanwhile, my son Oliver prayed concerning it, and I have prayed to confirm it. But I would like you to go ahead to pray to know the will of God concerning it.
Yes, sir. I will.
Let us pray. Father, in the name of Jesus, I bless you, Lord Jesus.
Somebody help me, oh. My leg, oh. This thing is painful. This thing is painful. But it's a prank. Thank God they are here. Please help me now. Help me, oh.
This is so irritating.
Can't you help me now? Come now. Hey.
There is nothing I can do.
Nothing. Where is that? Please come now. Don't go. Come. Hey. Somebody help me, oh. Somebody help me, oh.
What happened to you?
Oliver, you are here.
Who did this to you?
Somebody wound me. Oh. Somebody. This is easy.
It's okay.
Somebody wound me, oh.
Take.
God bless you. Thank you. God, thank you. Hey, so I can walk with my leg again. Oh, hey, thank you. I can move it. Oliver, thank you so much.
My daughter.
Hey, Papa, you are here.
My daughter, all you need in a man.
Thank you, Baba. Thank you. Thank you for giving him to me. Thank you so much. Oliver, thank you. Is this a dream? Oh God. No problem, Lord. No problem. Oh, Father, let your will be done. Yes, because I know you know the way more than I do.
So how are you doing?
I'm okay, and you?
Fine. You say you want us to say?
Yeah.
I hope there's no problem.
No problem at all. I would like you to come and see my parents. Although I've told them about you, and they said they would like to see you.
True. When would you like me to come?
At our own convenient time.
Okay. Let it be tomorrow.
That's okay by me.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Alright. Then I will be on my way. Thank you.
You're welcome, young man.
Thank you, sir.
What's your name?
My name is Oliver, sir.
Oliver. Are you a member of our church?
No, sir. I'm a member of Orthodox Life Church.
Orthodox Life Church. Anyway, what do you do for a living?
I'm a mechanic, sir.
Wow. You mean a mechanical engineer?
Absolutely not, sir. I'm just an ordinary roadside motor mechanic, sir.
A roadside mechanic? Anyway, it is natural. Even pigs like good things. Young man, you must have mistaken my house for where you are going. Just take the door through the gate. You go to the next building, you may find what you are looking there.
Sir, how do you mean, sir?
How do I mean? How do I mean? Young man, what I mean is that you are disqualified from marrying my daughter. You can't marry my daughter. Can't you see? Oil and water can't mix up together. First, you are not a member of our church. Secondly, you are a roadside mechanic, a low life. Listen to me. You can't marry my daughter. Young man, that's the door. Make use of it. And I don't want to see this your ugly, wretched, poor, dirty face again. You hear me?
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Daddy, stop it. You're embarrassing him now.
Sit down. Shut up.
Look at.
And listen. Miracle.
Talk to this your daughter. After spending all my money on her, she not just bring this. Look at.
Don't worry, I will.
Daddy, I thought you loved me. That you want my happiness. Eh? It's God has chosen him for me. I didn't go by sight. And you know, God knows the best for me.
My daughter, I love you. From the depth of my heart, I love you. And that's why I sent you abroad. I spent my money training you to be a medical doctor. I single-handedly built an hospital for you, showing you how much I love you. And I want your happiness. And that's why I rejected that low life, that good Dikeh that want to reap where he never showed. I don't like such a low life, a poor pharaoh, pitching around you. Please, I want you to stop this move because it can't work. Period.
Mommy, beg Daddy for me.
Tell me that rubbish. I'm highly disappointed in you. Among all the men that have been rushing here, asking your hand in marriage, my daughter is so liver you've chosen. The worst of it all, it's not even a member of our church. Orthodox Life Church. Choose a man that will take care of you. I mean a man with a future.
Mommy, don't talk about present. Let's talk about future. I'm seeing bright future in him.
Woman, talk to your daughter.
I will.
Talk to her because I can't take this.
Honey? Honey? Honey?
Hello? Hello? Oh, Stanley, how far now? Are you people there already? No problem. I will join you in 30 minutes now. You don't need to worry. It's okay. Bye-bye.
Honey, what was that?
What do you mean by what was that?
I mean what you just did.
Look here, woman. Let today be the first and the last time you will ever pick my calls. Nobody picks my call.
Really?
Yes.
So I'm now anybody.
I don't know what you're saying. Listen. You have your phone and I have my own. You mind your phone and let me mind my own. Have I ever picked your calls?
Why are you treating me this way? I mean, why is it that nothing that I do pleases you? If there is any way I've wronged you, why don't you let me know and I will apologize. That you're treating me this way. Let our union be in peace.
Look here, I am not here for any sermon. I don't know what you are saying. You are on your own. As you can see, I'm going out.
Honey?
It is well with my soul,
Daddy, please, you should allow them. I have prayed and God confirmed it. It is God's plan. God's plan? Yes, sir.
Shoot us! And you will take the whole world that you shoot your own daughter because you want to do God's will.
Yes. You want to do the will of God, eh? You want to do the will of God? I will help you do the will of God. Leave me, woman, leave me alone. Please. Warn her. Yes. Warn your daughter. I will do something stupid here. Warn her. Nonsense.
I will.
I don't know why. I don't know why my father decided to be chosen in the hands of enemy to stand against me from doing the God's will.
Sister, to be honest with you, if not that it's God that brought us together in this dream, I would have said, let not my presence in your life cost you and your parents problem.
Meaning that the road is too tough. Look at you crying all the time.
Is it what you'll be doing? Consider it.
See, one thing you don't know is that when the road gets tougher, only tough people keep moving.
You are right. You are right. In this darkness, I can see the light at the end.
That's the spirit. Now you are talking.
Let us pray. In Jesus' name.
The church is doing things on their own, pursuing shadows, living that real thing, taking the laws into our own hands, forgetting Christ is not divided at all. They have torn the cross apart, the cross apart. together as one. The church has refused to hear from
Papa, you're welcome.
Please sit down. No. You keep your seat. I'm not here to sit. What's that your name again?
Bro Oliver.
Good. Oliver, how will you feel if I give you an offer that will transform your life? How will you feel?
I will feel happy, sir.
Good. I will give you 5 million naira, but on one condition. You may travel abroad, you may stay in this country. Just stay away from my daughter. Just leave. She's not made for your kind. Do I make myself clear?
Sir, I'm not coming to your daughter for anything, sir. I mean, I'm not a beggar. I'm just coming around her just because the Lord said that she is my wife.
Oliver.
Sir, keep your money for yourself, sir.
Oliver.
Sir.
You are pushing me. You are pushing me hard. Don't push me further, because you will get it hot. Oliver, nsieregi. Nsieregi. Since you refuse to bend, you break. Be warned.
So I did not accept him on my own accord. It was God who told me that he is my husband. And I'm bound to do whatever God asked me to do.
Dr. Miracle of our people, to be frank with you, I am disappointed in you. How can you allow such a wretched parasite to come close to you, let alone talk of marriage? The most annoying part of it is that the person in question is not even a member of our church. How can you marry somebody that attends Orthodox Life Church? I know them very well. Even an unbeliever in our church is better than their pastors. Eh?
Sir, I don't like your approach to this matter. I thought you called me here to advise me on what to do. And you are here talking about church. Am I going to marry a church? No. I'm going to marry the man God said I should marry, and not church. Sir, in heaven there is nothing like church, but people who are washed by the blood of the Lamb.
Go ahead and teach me. Miracle, teach me. The Bible says, children, obey your parents in the Lord, for this is right. Honor your father and your mother, for this is the first commandment with promise, that your days may be long on it. Miracle, you better go and discharge that man. Let him go to where he belongs. Then come back and marry from our church. We have rich, good-looking, nice guys in this church. And you know your parents are not happy about this, your stubborn behavior over this matter. Huh? Come and marry from our church. Then you can get your fatherly blessing and mine too.
Anyway, so I'm sorry to disappoint you. I'm tied to him already.
You're tied to who?
Sorry.
Miracle! To come okay, Miracle? You are calculated man. Children of nowadays.
Sister, you are still crying. Crying will not solve anything this time. Have you forgotten we're in the battlefield? What you become, you have to fight in order to possess it. Get what you need by your knees. As for me, whosoever God says I will marry, I will marry. I'm not going to marry because of money or anything else. Sister, there is happiness when you're operating in the will of God. Stop crying.
Thank you, my sister. Thank you for being there for me in this time of difficulty.
So this wretched and poor guy I saw today in her office is the one confusing Sister Miracle for me. Oh. And I even heard that she has agreed to marry him. If I will not marry you, Miracle, no other person will marry you. I need to do something. Barrister, you need to do something now. Before things will get wrong. Yes, I need to do something. I need to act now. Yes. Of this.
You want to know the meaning of it? I will show you.
No, please don't kill me, please. Please don't kill me.
I guess you're Oliver.
Yes, I am.
Somebody hired me to take you out from this world. But since then, I'm less stressed. I can't walk each time I see. Are you not born again?
I'm born again, please.
But you have to pay your tithe. For your own good, though. For your own good. Because it is not the born again. I like to kill. Killing people is my hobby. I like to see your blood. Pay your tithe. I guess you know you have an enemy. I guess you know you have an enemy. You don't know. Barrister Frank is your enemy. So you better wash him. Don't forget my tithe.
Honey? Honey? Why is your face like that? What's wrong with you? hope there is no problem.
I don't understand. I'm confused. Our daughter Miracle is dying. She's no longer herself. She has refused to eat, crying all the time. I don't want to miss any of my children. Oh.
Meaning?
Meaning that my children are important to me. We should allow her to marry the person she wants to marry. Please, my husband.
Who is your husband? Because I'm not the one.
Are you drunk?
Yes! Yes! From the very first day you allowed that stupid thought into your skull, I cease to be your husband. Wait. I'm seeing that you are the one backing this girl indirectly. Oh, God has exposed you and your plans. Yes. But listen, come to think of it, that boy is not a member of our church. And he is a low life and a roadside mechanic. I can never be part of that kind of marriage. Never! Over my dead body will I support that marriage. Never!
All I know, where my daughter stands, that's where I'm standing. We should allow her to marry the person she wants to marry. And you are here talking about church. If she dies now, what will the church do for me?
I don't blame you. I don't blame you. I've seen that boy has also bewitched you. As for me, Atakata Abo, he can't get me! Never! What is this?
Mom is right. Please allow sister to marry the man of her choice. Marriage is a matter of future, not present. Let me not focus on what I can see now. What matters is God behind the movement. In other words, that let it not be that you're fighting God.
What the hell anymore? Even man. Oluchukwu.
Dad.
Oh! Oluchukwu. Oluchukwu.
Yes, Dad.
I can see. Like mother, like daughter. Oh, I have seen it. I don't blame you. I don't blame you. So you have the guts to come to talk to me about God and His will. Okay, maybe when it is your turn to get married, you may go and get me maybe one vulcanizer. Then I will deal with you. I will tell you why I'm your father. Come on, get out of this place. Get out! Look at her. They want me to chop about never. I'm about Papa don't pay. Nonsense. Woman. Mind yourself. Take care of these your daughters. Otherwise, one day I will send you packing with them. Nonsense! Adult nonsense! What is this?
Hey!
Taking the loans.
Sister, there is something I want to tell you. I hope you will listen to me, so that everybody will have peace in this house. I think you should listen to Daddy. In this matter, you know he loves you and always wants the best for you. You have seen that young man. He will not make a good husband for you. Just among these noble men, I will come in for you and be happy.
Ephraim, I'm highly disappointed in you. Why are you talking as if you are an unbeliever? Please be on my side in a time like this.
My hands are tied. The decision is left for you to make. And I think, and I pray that you make the right decision. I will be going.
Across our path. They have torn across our path.
Oh God, why is everybody against me in this matter? Please help me, Lord.
Let's come together as one.
My daughter, Mimi. Hey! What is this? My daughter, what is this? What are you trying to do? Mimi! Mimi! Ah! What would I do? I'm finished! I'm finished! Hey! Mimi! Ah! Thank God! Thank God, Papa, that you are here. Thank you. Please, my daughter, I don't know what's wrong with her. Please, help us, please. Please.
Why are you...
Papa, please show us mercy that allow my daughter to die.
Oji.
Yes, Papa.
Oji.
Yes, Papa.
Why are you struggling my property with me?
Me? Struggling with your property? How? Where? Which property?
She is my property.
Ah!
You are just a caretaker over her. But you are struggling her with me. Since you don't want me to use my property the way I like, I then decided to take her.
No, she can't die. No, don't do this to us, please. Please, have mercy, please.
I told my daughter to marry my son, but you are becoming an obstacle between them.
Please.
Oji.
Yes, Papa.
Oji.
Yes, Papa.
Be warned. Next time I will visit this house, you will not like my approach.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Papa. She can die, please. Thank you. She can die.
Daddy, what is it?
No. She can die.
She can die.
She can die. She can die. She can die.
Daddy, what is it?
Mimi.
You're acting so strange.
Are you okay? Are you alright?
Daddy, what is it?
Are you alright?
I don't understand. What is going on? Daddy, are you okay?
I'm fine. Please. First thing tomorrow morning, call Oliver. Call him for me. Please, you hear me?
Daddy, what is it? You are acting strange.
I'm fine. Just
I don't understand.
do as I said. Call Oliver for me. First thing tomorrow morning, okay?
Daddy, are you okay?
First thing tomorrow morning.
Mom, what is it?
My daughter, I'm surprised as you are. I don't understand. Maybe God is at work. You just sleep.
He's
Till tomorrow morning.
He lives. Jesus lives forever. He's alive. He can.
Wow. You know, your father's approach towards me today was something else. What happened? I mean, who changed him?
I'm still surprised, even till this moment. But I can say that God has heard our prayers and God is at work.
Wow. Well, that means we don't need to waste much time. I have to inform my people immediately.
No problem. That's okay.
Wow, thank God.
I have liberty.
See, Brokisa. It's not Brokisa. So, Brokisa are telling that we're waiting. You, look. I don't know that people knows us this way. Okay, see how my father just gather around his friends. Look at them. Look at them. It's not my uncle. Your uncle. So he came. My God. This finally was so successful. I think of it. It's the Lord's doing, my sisters, my days, yeah. Wow.
to set me free.
Your level is quite impressive. You made all your subjects.
Very intelligent. Just that my father died earlier and I couldn't continue my education. I would have studied law.
Wow.
Yeah.
In that case, it's not yet late. No time is late. You can start it now.
Please, let's talk another thing. That one is
No. This is the matter to talk about now.
Alright, your wish is my command.
I'm going to start processing it immediately.
I see you. I said your wish is my command.
Okay.
Please get me some water to drink.
Okay.
Because he died to set me free. Jesus, hallelujah. I have liberty. I am free. Because he lives, I can face tomorrow.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm fine, are you? So when are you finishing the exam?
Yeah.
Okay. You know what? I'm going to prepare her favorite food for you. Okay now. Alright.
He's alive, he lives. Jesus lives forever. He's alive, he cares. Jesus loves me so. He's alive.
Hello?
Okay, you're welcome. Let's hear from you.
I
think
is everything?
have a rest today. Okay. But
yes, I just came back from school yesterday.
You let me leave.
No, I'm moving straight to my house now.
Right, future, but if Masha wants to leave, you guys he'll leave.
Okay.
We keep that for, but
just after you come over, let's see, because I'll be going back to school. Yes, next week on Monday. Yes. Okay. See you then. See you then.
Because he lives, I can face tomorrow. He's alive.
I'm fine. How about your family? How's my God? Okay. Yeah, I'm in here now. Wow! Wow! You're welcome. I'm fine. Maybe fine, you're sleeping inside. You're welcome. Sit down. Wow, how was your day? Excellent. So how about the kids?
I want to say this again.
Wow! So Griffin is now discharged and appointed. Thank God. You see, I know what God can do through you. And you know what? God will continue to win your case in the name of Jesus.
Amen. Praise God. I have to take my verse now.
No problem. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Jesus is my portion. Hallelujah.
Sunday.
Sir.
Is well. I have had your story. What about your mom?
He's alive.
Mother is alive. So the man in question, who is it to you?
It's my uncle.
Your uncle. Dragging the land with you? Do you have the paper of the land?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Tomorrow, I will write to him. If he insists, then we will sit right in the court. Just cheer up, okay?
Okay, thanks, sir.
Sir Dadioji is here.
Dadioji, please let other people stay. Let him in.
Okay, sir.
Daddy.
My in-law.
You're welcome, sir.
Oh, Kogo.
You're welcome, sir.
My in-law.
You're welcome, sir.
You're looking good.
Thank you, sir.
Wow.
You're welcome, sir.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. How is my daughter and the kids?
They're all fine. They're better than me.
I can see.
You're welcome. Well, please, what can I offer? This is why you come to my office today.
I'm okay.
You're welcome, sir.
Thank you.
I hope there's no problem, sir.
There is a little problem. You know, there is this particular property that I bought far back 1980 from a particular man. The man in question is dead, but his children just woke up one morning and decided to, you know, reclaim their father's property, and they are willing to pay me what I paid their father back then, because they think they are touching little change. And I tell myself, since I have somebody like you, let me come and report them to you. That's why I'm here.
Sir, how many plots are we talking about here?
10 plots of land. 10.
Are you with the original paper?
Of course, yes. It's with me.
Just be rest assured that your land is yours.
Thank you.
If they feel that the money they have is touching their brain, I will teach them how to spend it.
That's my in-law. That's my in-law.
Daddy, you don't have any problem.
Thank you very much.
Take it, sir.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
Take it, sir.
I can't take this. I said it is impossible.
Calm down.
It cannot happen.
Brother, calm down. Just calm down.
Are you saying that I should calm down? My own sister, the husband died, and the family members think they can push her away and take all that belongs to her husband. As long as I am alive, it cannot work for them. Won't she train her children?
That's why I say you should leave this matter for me. Just calm down. Leave this matter for me. Eh? I know how to handle it. There's one barrister I will consult for this case.
A barrister?
Yes.
Is he a good barrister?
He's a tough barrister. Kechi.
You mean he's able to handle this case?
That barrister is good. He has never lost any case. I have an appointment with him tomorrow. Tomorrow. So I think I will go with Esther, so that she will explain everything to him. Just calm down.
That's good.
Many people are here waiting to see you, and I've waited for long.
Look at me.
Yes.
You're welcome.
I just want to know what you say about my proposal, you know?
What proposal?
I told you I want you to be my wife.
Please, don't go there, okay? Can't you see the writing on the wall? We are not meant to be. There is a very big difference between you and I. Please.
Please just try to understand me in this matter. God is not the author of confusion. I heard him clearly before coming.
Let me help you. You did not hear well. Now, I will advise you to go back whoever that you claim that sent you to resend you back to your life partner. See, I don't want to insult you, but the very next time you repeat this kind of issue with me, you will not like what I will do to you.
Cross our paths, cross our paths. Children of this world have turned their backs on God. Nobody's thinking of what God will say.
What is it? What can I do for you?
Please, barrister. My sister got married to her husband, and they both are living in Kano. The husband became sick and later died. After the burial, the family members joined hands together and pushed her out and seized all her husband's property.
Can you imagine that? Eh? Anyway, I know how good you are. I know that you are capable of handling this case. That is why we are here. Please do something to save us from this situation.
Didn't she have a child? In her husband's house?
Of course. 2 children. She had 2 children for her late husband. A boy and a girl.
They can't do such a thing. It's not been done. It's not been done. No. Well, it's not a serious matter. It's not a serious matter. I will write to them. If they insist on what they are doing, then I will sue them to court. Tomorrow, you come and collect a letter you will give to them. It's not a serious matter.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. Let us go.
Thank you, barrister. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Esther, what was that? Eh? You behaved as if you know him.
Since we entered into the lawyer's office, you have been crying. What's wrong with you? Esther, talk to us.
That man is so angry. He's supposed to be my husband.
The barrister.
I rejected him.
And why?
I got married to Madasi. Now see all I've got.
Esther, you mean the barrister supposed to be my in-law, my uncle? Hey, Esther, I will never forgive you. You have killed us.
Please, just stop. Enough harm has been done.
Quiet! What are you telling us now? What are you telling us? You rejected this kind of man.
Hey! I never knew it would turn out this way. I never knew things would turn out this way.
Shut it! You are out of your mind.
What was the reason?
See, it's just that he was just an ordinary mechanic. And I couldn't accept his proposal.
I
never knew that things were just...
Ordinary mechanic. You were looking at his condition then and forgetting the future. Look at look at what you have done to yourself and to us. The biggest barrister in town.
Esther.
People do hail him because of his skills and perfect understanding of his profession. See, let me tell you, I'm just waiting. Let this case be over. We just have to look for a way and go back to him. Of course, we have to go back to him.
Is it to go to him and become the second wife? Or to become a maid?
Whatever. Go back to that man.
Can you imagine? Even if you go at this point, will he accept you? He will not. Manasseh. Where is Manasseh now?
In the grave. In the grave.
Uncle, you're welcome.
Diva!
Uncle, you're welcome. So how is people in the village?
Everybody is fine. Diva!
Calm down, uncle. This is office, so this is office.
Oliver! You know the toad doesn't run the afternoon race in vain. If the toad then back on afternoon race, if nothing is pursuing the toad must be pursuing something. Diva! This your God is good though. Your God is good. People find it difficult to understand. I will not remove my cap for you. I can remove Unisi. But for one thing. Diva!
This is office.
Irrespective of the fact that it's an office, it is not making noise. I don't have a barrister in my house. Not small barrister, big one. No. Nice. Something brought me to your office. But the case has been won in advance. I'm the channel. It's just for me to come and table the matter to you. The meeting we had yesterday, this small cake, the land was about to Apakoto. They've been dragging the land and I kept quiet. I didn't talk. But yes, 2 days, the meeting we had 2 days ago, I was making noise. I couldn't keep quiet.
Uncle,
just come and arrest all of them. I told them you take them to Abuja from head to toe, elder to the least. This one is not the elder something. Everybody.
Uncle, please. Don't look for trouble, Uncle, please. Don't look for trouble. You see, we can't take them to... This is homeowner's matter. This matter is for homeowner, please. We can't take them to court. It's okay. We will know how to handle it.
I've seen the benefit of becoming a lawyer. I'm comfortable. I'm happy. This much.
Uncle, see,
Please, don't make any trouble, please. Don't make any trouble. It's okay.
I'm happy.
Don't worry. Don't worry. If
happy to see you again.
I'm happy to see you too.
You know, since you traveled to Kano, I lost your contact. Even when I'm about to wed, I don't know how to contact you again.
The same way with me, I lost yours. That was why I was unable to call you.
But thank God we are here again.
Yes, thank God we can see you.
You're welcome.
Again. Thank you.
Dear, I heard what happened to you. I heard that your husband died. It's a pity. Take heart. Esther, stop crying. It has been long we have been crying. Stop crying. Gather your broken life together and face God. He knows how to handle every situation. He will bring it and gather you together. It's okay.
This is not the reason why I'm crying. I'm crying because I disobeyed God, but you obeyed Him. And now you are not regretting. I was busy looking at the present, forgetting the future. I know it too well that what I'm reaping today is the seed I sowed before now. I'm just paying back. My people, you better don't follow the same way that I follow so that you don't make the same mistake.
So it is well with my soul. How can we come this far to mess things up? How can we say we care but don't do us told? We say we love him but we don't depict it. Do you know that Christ is not divided at all? How can you say you love me but don't show it? Do you know that Christ is not divided at all? Many are confused and they need directions. Many are hopeless and they need assurance, but cannot get it from divided church. Do you know that Christ is not divided at all?